I'm here to help you understand the symptoms you may be having after an automobile or a trucking accident or after a spontaneous disc rupture. I focus on understanding the nature of your pain and then I address it in the least invasive way that I can. This can best be treated conservatively, but when conservative therapy fails, I provide a minimally invasive spinal surgery to alleviate your pain. I have successfully performed over 10,000 corrective spine surgeries. To learn more about my practice, please go to drpribil.com. Thank you.